Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, subscribe now if you haven't already. To enjoy more of my content, hit that notification bell icon. You would never want to miss any of my new tutorials. Like I taught you in the previous tutorial, that paragraph style is an essential approach for text formatting to form visually appealing document layout, making things easier for the readers. Paragraph style also allows us to change the styles in one place rather than going to every single page. I have included the link of the first part of this tutorial in the description. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create paragraph styles from scratch. With that being said, let's get into it. How to create a paragraph style. Just like other capabilities in Adobe InDesign, creating a paragraph style in variety of ways. First of all, make sure that all this paragraph has no style applied to it. Select all the paragraph. Shortcut key is Ctrl A. Once selected, open the paragraph styles panel. Go to Windows, Styles, and then Paragraph Styles. Shortcut key is F11. Now, click on Basic Paragraph Style. This removes all kind of styling from the entire selected text. Remember that when you apply a paragraph style to the text, it will affect the entire paragraph until it is separated by the line break. Now, in the Paragraph Styles panel, you can create a new paragraph style. All you need to do is click on this icon on the bottom of this panel. You just created a new paragraph style. To edit this, double-click on the paragraph style. Another way of creating new paragraph style is clicking on the top right corner of this panel, the one that looks like hamburger, and then select New Paragraph Styles. Paragraph Styles window will pop up. Now, you can start making your own styles from here. Let's start with creating a new blank style for the title. In this window, you will have list of options on left side, starting from General till the export tagging. This is the beginner tutorial, so I will focus on General, Basic Character Format, Indents and Spacing, Character Color. In General, you can compose the name for your paragraph style. I want to create a title, so I will write Title Style, or let's say Heading 1. For these drop-down menus, choose based on as No Paragraph Style and Next Paragraph Style as No Paragraph Style as well. I will explain this in the end of this tutorial. In Basic Character Format, you can select the font family, font style, size, font size, leading, kerning, tracking, case, and position of the characters in the paragraph. Let's give it a font family, the most famous Arial. Font style can be anything: bold, italic, condensed, narrow, light, heavy, black, etc. I'm going to give it a bold style. Font size, since it is a heading, I will give it 72 points. If your heading 1 is a big sentence, and if it fits in 2 lines, then you will need leading. Let's give it 72 points as well. Kerning is the spacing between the letters. It's not required for now, but I will still do it for you. I will give it 20 points. See how the letters have been distributed with equal space between them. Tracking is same as kerning, but I will leave the room to explain this in another tutorial. Now check this case. Through this, you can keep all the letters capital or first capital letter throughout the document. And position, you can set your text to superscript or subscript. I am leaving that empty for now. If you check underline, your text will be underlined. So I am skipping that for now. Ligature. I will teach you about this in another tutorial. Strike through will basically cross your text. Now let's focus on indents and spacing. Just know that you can set the alignment of the paragraph from here. You see, the alignment is set to left. When you open the drop-down menu, you will see all other alignment. You can make it center aligned, right aligned, and even justified alignment. I'm skipping these indent parts for now. You guessed it right, some other tutorial. Now, align to grid is very important. It helps the bulk of text to stay intact regardless of its leading. I have explained this concept in grids tutorial. I have posted the tutorial link down in the description. In character color, you can choose the color for your style. I am choosing this parrot green color over here. If you want more colors, then first you need to add those colors in swatches panel. And then you can select that color in this window. Alright, I'm satisfied. Now, I want to create subheading paragraph style. I just wanted to follow the Arial font family, but smaller than heading 1, and it should be black color. So, instead of creating all similar attributes, I can simply duplicate the paragraph style. Just right click on this heading 1 and choose Duplicate Paragraph Style. Open the styling options. Let's rename it as Subheading. Now, you can change the font size on basic character format. Let's change the font size from 72 to 36 point. Let's go to character color and choose black color. Click OK. Now, I want to create paragraph style for the body text. Duplicate the subheading style. Rename it as body text. Give it a regular style. Reduce the font size to 16 points, leading to 16 points, and of course the black color font. Once you are happy with your attributes, you can click OK. How to apply the paragraph styles? Now, my design contains 3 text hierarchy levels: heading 1, subheading, and body text. Since I had already made these designs, I can easily incorporate them on the available text. Before applying styles, your text must have no styles applied to it. You can see that my text has basic paragraph styles applied to it. Effectively, it lets you see your style before you build it. To apply the styles, all you need to do is select the text and click on the respective paragraph styles. Let's say this title. Click over here, resting your cursor on that paragraph, and click on the heading 1 style in the paragraph styles panel. See? So simple. Now select the subheading and apply subheading style to each of them. Similarly, do the same for body paragraph style. By now, you would be able to create paragraph styles of your own. How to change the paragraph styles? Since I had created and applied all the paragraph styles to the text, but now I'm looking forward to change them. Maybe the font size, family, or font color. Then this could be achieved very easily. Let's change the font family of heading 1. Then double click on the heading 1. The window will pop up showing you all attributes of heading 1. Go to basic paragraph format. Let's change it Cardo Bold font family. To see the real-time changes of your paragraph styles, check the preview box. If you want to change the alignment, go to Indents and Spacing. If you want to change the color, go to the character color. Let's give it blue color. Once you are happy with the results, click OK. By changing your attributes, all the modifications will take effect throughout the document. If you are working on the project and you wish to update the styles in the future, then this will save you a ton of time. Next style. Remember, in the beginning of this tutorial, I skipped this part of the General tab. The purpose of this option is to specify which style is applied after the current style with few clicks. After you press Enter or Return, InDesign will automatically assign the style to your next paragraph. As a result, you can apply recurring pattern of styles to your text. Let's compose a new lorem ipsum paragraph. Now, make a copy of heading 1 style and let's rename it as heading 1 auto. Over here, choose next style as body text style. Click OK. Now, let's apply heading 1 on the title of this paragraph. You see, only title has been affected. Now, let's apply heading 1 auto on this title. You see, next paragraph automatically turns its style into body text paragraph style. This is the information you would never want to miss. Summary. InDesign is a very powerful software that supports paragraph styles feature. Whatever I covered in this beginner tutorial is sufficient enough for you to work on your projects. By the end of this tutorial, you can easily finish your more work in less time. Moreover, you can avoid repeatedly applying the formatting to each and every paragraph. You should explore Paragraph Styles panel option a little more so that you can see what amazing things it can do. Tip of the day. Don't double click on the styles. I know I'm the one who had been double clicking on these styles. To be honest, there is nothing wrong at all. But since you are a beginner, you might accidentally change the attributes of the paragraph styles by double clicking on it. So, instead of double click, the safer bet is to right click on the paragraph style and choose Edit Style. I hope you liked the second part and you gained a lot of knowledge from here. I will continue paragraph styles in part 3, so stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There's more amazing content coming on the way. If you don't want to miss any updates from my channel, hit the notification bell icon. Most of all, if you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.